Do you offer training? Absolutely. We train all of our customers on every solution that we put together for them. The type of training that is required depends, of course, upon the type of solution or equipment that you purchase. If it's something very straightforward, such as a small desktop entry level like the SpeedBox 200 for example, and maybe a small desktop sealing machine, then that can all be done over the phone, or it can be done via video chat, and that's no problem. If you really do want us to come out, of course, for the smaller machines, we would happily do that. However, we would have to charge for that service, because obviously at the time out of the office, got to get onto the road, it's fuel, these things are expensive as we all know. However, we do it, and we have done it on occasions for the smaller machines when people require it. So when we become a little bit more complex with our solutions, so something a lot bigger, for example a vacuum feeder that has been attached to the top of a Posyway 4 machine, and you also have a big floor standing sealing machine, there's a fair amount of variables in the sense of the operational side of it, and you need to understand how to set the machines up and get them working for all of the different products. And again, it also depends upon the complexities of the products that you produce. So there may be different sealing temperatures, there may be different ways you need to change the machine or alter the way that it's configured. It'd be straightforward once we show you how to do it. It's not that it's difficult, but you need a bit of time on site with some of these solutions, and of course then we absolutely insist that we come out. For that, we do build that into the quote, so we will show you a breakdown, show you what we're going to charge for coming to do the installation and training. So yes, of course, we can help you with training at either end of the spectrum of the types of equipment that we provide for you. So any questions on this video, please do get in contact with us either by email, you can give us a call, and of course we'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching this video.